This is Brian from the Campagnolo booth at the Interbike show, and he's going to tell us about Campy's new super record for 2009.
We've got the new ergo power shifters. We have 3 hand positions on here. We have the hoods, we have the drops, and we have this new 3rd hand position where you can cup it right on the top.
Okay.
We also increase the distance on the bottom so you can put 3 fingers underneath instead of 2 fingers.
Okay.
On the top side we have a new groove section for a lot grippier surface. On the back side we have a new air pockets for different pressure points on your palms. The way this is channeled, you can channel any sweat away from your hands. The wind will naturally channel any sweat away from your hands.
Cool.
We have a new double groove brake lever. Has a shorter reach, higher pivot design, makes it easy to brake from the hoods.
Cool.
We also changed the sweep of the lever to follow the natural path of your finger. We also hid the brake housing and the cable housing behind the body of the shifters, so you're not getting any bulges from the housing coming out of the shifters. There's a new ergo power 11-speed super record shifters. We move on to the rear derailleur. This is actually the record. This is the record 11-speed rear derailleur. We have a new carbon fiber body, a lot wider pivots, increased torsional stiffness by 150%. On the back side, we have 11-tooth pulley wheels for longer and equal wear, ceramic bearings in our pulley wheels, and we also have a special rubberized coating on here that absorbs chain vibration and noise. It's also hollowed out for weight savings. Our new 11-speed cassette now comes with an aluminum lock ring. On the profile of the teeth here, it's shaved down like a shark's fin. That's where the shifting actually takes place. A lot faster and smoothing shifting. We're now housing the rings 3 rings per carrier versus last year's 2 per carrier, increasing bending stiffness by 70%. On the back side, we're cutting it down all the way to the free hub body, the rings, and then increased torsional stiffness 180%. Our new 11-speed front derailleur, new anodized finish, resist corrosion and flaking, also a lot smoother shifts. On the inside of the carbon cage is a metal plate, so the chain doesn't start grinding away from the carbon. Also a lot wider pivots, make it a lot stiffer front derailleur. This is both compact and standard compatible. We have a new crankset, 11 speeds, new hard anodized rings, resist corrosion and flaking, a lot smoother finish for smoother shifting. These rings will last 3 times longer than last year's rings, so the wear that you see at 3,000 kilometers on this, the same way that you see at 11,000 kilometers on our current setup. We also have ceramic bearings on our record cranksets. Last but not least, we have our new 11-speed chain. It goes from a 5.9 to a 5.5 width.
Fair enough.
That's 11-speed group from Campagnolo.
Thank you very much.
No problem.